on. Alright, then I full cock.
Yeah.
Take the safety off and then full cock, or full cock first?
It doesn't matter.
Okay. And am I just shooting into the dirt?
Yeah, just for first rounds. Yep, now it'll fire.
Nice. Do you want one before I take them off?
Was that 6?
Yep.
Okay. Half cock. Yep.
Oh.
There's that little slider.
Okay.
Yep. What do you think?
Very nice. Would you like me to load it for you?